Using the internet to make some money. To earn money online, you can't jump into something without being prepared in advance. Use the information in this video to make cash online. Heed the advice and see how simple it really is. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. If you like to take pictures, there are several websites where you can post them for people to purchase. This is a great way to make use of the pictures you get of nature. You simply post them into the proper category. Make certain that you understand how the rules of each site works first. These tips are simple to use and apply to your own life. To be sure, there are challenges, but many folks do well in this way. Do some research and use these tips to do better. Student loan.